How to enable dark mode on YouTube on laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel App Guide. In this video I will guide you on how you can actually enable dark mode on YouTube on laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to enable dark mode on YouTube on laptop, all you have to do is first of all simply open up your browser, then go to www.youtube.com, and then here you can see that I'm currently on the light theme. So if I want to switch to dark theme on YouTube on my laptop, all I need to do is just click the profile icon which you see from the top right hand side of the screen, which is my YouTube account profile. Once I click on this icon over here, you'll find all these sorts of options where you just need to go to this option called appearance that you find it over here. So basically once you find the appearance tab, just tap on it, and then once you tap the appearance, here you have three options basically, which is to use the device theme, the dark theme, as well as the light theme. So using device theme means that it is actually going to follow the theme based on your devices accordingly. Or if you'd like to switch to a darker one, which we are learning in this video, you can just simply select dark and you can say instantly that our YouTube on our laptop has successfully switched to dark mode. This is how you can activate dark mode on YouTube on laptop. We hope the video was helpful. If it did help, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.